Welcome to the second tutorial for Davis CodeCamp's Minecraft class. Today we will be going over how to mod Minecraft using Magic Launcher and Forge. The steps to mod Minecraft are listed here. We will be using 3 mods to demonstrate how to mod Minecraft, and they are Optifine, Damage Indicator, and Furniture Mod. Alright, first we need to find our mods. So let's go ahead and open up our browser. So the first mod we're going to be searching for is called Optifine. It will be the first link right here, 1.6.4. So it's very important that you make sure that all of your mods are on the same version. So for this video I'm going to be using Minecraft version 1.6.4, so all 3 mods that I'm going to be using in this video are 1.6.4. So I'm going to go ahead down here and hit download. All of the mods also use AdFly, so it's very annoying, but we have to wait 5 seconds before we can skip over this. And then go ahead and skip ad, and then click on the link, and then go ahead and click download or save. Alright, the second mod that we're going to be using is called Damage Indicator, which is right there. And it again is the first link. So let's come down here, make sure it's on 1.6.4. Right here we can see it's 1.6.x, which just means it's any version, so click 1.6.x. Again, we have to wait through AdFly. If you have ad block, which you can see I do, then you won't see any ad pop up. It's very nice. Unfortunately, it doesn't support the people that actually try to make money off of this. Go ahead and click on save. So that's the second mod that we saved, and then the last one we're going to be doing is Furniture Mod. And it is the first link again. We're going to have to scroll really far down through here to get to 1.6.4, which is right here. Go ahead and click on download. Waiting for AdFly for the final time. Skip ad and download. Alright, you'll notice that all 3 of the mods that we downloaded, 2 of them are zips and 1 of them is jar. The cool thing is that we're going to be using Magic Launcher, which can distinguish between a .jar and a .zip and do it for us. All 3 are compressed files, but .jar is a little bit different from a .zip. Alright, so now that we've found the mods, we need to go ahead and make sure that we have an unmodded version of Minecraft. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and click on the Start button, type in %app data %, should look like that. Go ahead and click on Enter, and then here's our Minecraft folder. Let's get rid of that. Hit delete. Yes, get rid of this. It is now gone. Now we need to download Minecraft. So open up our browser once again, and then we want to go to minecraft.net/download. Gonna go download the client and save. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, so all the mods that we downloaded were on version 1.6.4, and we are on version 1.7.4, so we need to change our version. To do that, we just go over here and click Edit Profile. Let's go over here where it says Use Version, click on this on the drop down, and go to version 1.6.4 and save profile. We have the right profile, so we're going to hit play, and what this is going to do is it's going to download the jar file for 1.6.4. Every time that you switch a version and click play, it always downloads a new jar file, and it will back those up. So if you ever want to go back to 1.7.4 and you've already clicked play on that, all you have to do is switch it, and it won't even have to download. It'll just immediately start playing that for you, which is very nice about this new launcher. Alright, so once we have 1.6.4, you can tell that's 1.6.4 because right here and here. We're going to go ahead and close this now, just to make sure that we have the jar file. Okay, the next step is to make sure that we have Forge. So go up and open up your internet browser. So we're going to type in Minecraft Forge, and it's going to be this first link. Okay, so if you're confused about what version out of all these bazillion versions to download, go ahead and click on this drop down and click on 1.6.4, and then it has this recommended build for you, recommended version, and we're going to be using version 965. And make sure you hit the installer and not the universal, otherwise that'll mess you up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on install. Yet again, we have to wait through this AdFly. And There we go. Skip add, and it will download for us. Hit save. Okay, once this downloads, we need to open it up. So we'll click on this so it opens up. And what Forge is it's a mod loader. So a lot of the mods out there for Minecraft, they require a mod loader, and by having this, we'll just make it so that we can actually use the mods. A lot of the simpler mods don't need Forge, but in this case we do. So once it comes up, we're going to go ahead and click on Install Client. Make sure that's selected. This will already be correct, but if it's not, it's just this directory, which is the roaming. It's very easy to get to. You type in %appdata in the start menu to get to it, or you can just navigate there by yourself, and that's the right folder. Go ahead and click on OK. And a lot of the times it will already recognize this file as a Java file, but if it's not able to see that it's a Java file, you might have to click on the program. You would have to right click on it and open with, and then you'd have to navigate to Java, which is very easy to do. I can actually show you how to do that with a simple tutorial right here. So you right click, you go down to open with, and then usually it'll be right there, and if it's not, in the extreme case, you'd have to go to choose default program. It's running a little bit slow because it's trying to download the libraries in the background. I apologize. And then it'll pop up. Those two will be there, but it usually won't be there if you have to get to this step, so you have to hit browse, and then it's either going to be in your program files or your program files x86. The x86 just means it's the 32-bit, and this is the 64-bit. Usually Java runs on 32-bit, I believe. I'm mistaken. It looks like it's run on 64-bit. So let's go down here, and there it is, Java. You click on Java, JDK probably, bin, and where's the application? Right there. And then you just hit open. Alright, so still waiting for it to download libraries in the background. So once we have the mod loader, all three mods will work. Although Optifine does not require a mod loader, it will run on vanilla Minecraft with no mod loader, which is very useful. I'm just going briefly over all three of the mod loaders. Optifine, that is a FPS booster. It makes it so that there's less lag. So when you look around in your Minecraft world, it'll make it so it has smoother looking around, I guess. And then the damage indicator is very nice. It'll have a little health indicator in the top left when you look at an animal or any mob. And then if you hit the mob, it'll show you how much remaining life it has, and it will have a little number that pops out for how much damage you're doing to it. And then for the furniture mod, that's just a simple, like this is the stereotypical mod that you want to add to Minecraft that just adds more features like furniture, refrigerators, stuff like that. Alright, so this is taking a lot longer than expected. I'm hoping that you guys have supercomputers at home, that way this will download super fast, but you can only download as fast as your internet will allow. And it looks like it's about to finish. No, it just, oh, there it goes. Haha. So you should get this complete thing that pops up, and yeah, grab two libraries. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up Minecraft. So I'm going to do that right here. Alright, so now that we have installed Forge correctly, under your profile you'll have this Forge option that you can click on. So this might pop up, but you can just go ahead and click on play because we're already signed in. And look here in the bottom right, it says ready to update and play Minecraft 1.6.4 Forge. So if that doesn't show right there, then something has gone wrong. So we're going to go ahead and click on play. Nothing will have to download since everything is correct. And it will open up here. Now if we look in the bottom left, once it opens up, it should say 3 mods loaded, 3 mods active. Awesome, that's exactly what we want. And right now we have this new button, mods, and if we click on that, 3 mods loaded, 3 mods active, that's these 3 mods, the mod loader, the Forge, and the coder pack. Alright, so now we need to exit out of Minecraft. That was just to check to see if Forge was active. So now we're going to add a few of the mods into the mod folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start and %app data %, and then double click on Minecraft. So this is the mods folder. If you have the regular version of Minecraft, you won't have this folder, but with the Forge that we just downloaded and installed, this folder popped up. We're going to double click on that. Obviously this folder is empty because we haven't installed any mods, but now we need to find where those mods were downloaded. So I'm going to hit Control N to open up a new window, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on Downloads, and then you'll see the 3 mods that we downloaded are right there. So this is where we come to like this kind of bridge in the road, fork in the road rather, where you can have internal mods or external mods. So the difference, there isn't really much of a difference. It's more personal preference. It's what mods you always want to play and what mods you sometimes want to play. For me, I always want Optifine and damage indicators, so I'm just going to drag those into my mods folder. Whereas furniture mods, this would be, pretend I just downloaded this today and I already had these on here for a month. I'm like, I don't know if this furniture mod is going to work. So without having to go through all this trouble of dragging them into the right folder, I'm going to leave this in my downloads folder and add them in manually later. So after these 2 mods have been put into the mod folder, I can go ahead and close out of both of these. Now we need the awesome Magic Launcher. So we're just going to go up to our browser again. We're just going to type in Magic Launcher, and it is that first link. The Magic Launcher that I'm using in this video is 1.2.5, and that is for Minecraft version 1.7.4. Although you can probably use an older version of Magic Launcher, or a newer version like 1.2.6 if that's in the future, and then it will still work for this tutorial. So I'm on Windows, so I'm going to go and click on For Windows. For the last time, hopefully we're going to be waiting for this ad to go by, which is not actually here because of ad block. Go ahead, skip ad. Yes, we want Magic Launcher, so go ahead and download that. Once it's downloaded, open that. Go ahead and click on Run. We don't need our browser anymore, hopefully. Okay, this is the beautiful Magic Launcher. So it has a bunch of cool tabs up here in the top. So you have like the default Minecraft News tab. You have the Developer Mojang tab. You have the Reddit tab, and then all the Twitters up here, and of course Minecraft Wiki, which is, in my opinion, the most useful tab. If you click on any of the links, you'll have a link that opens up here that says like Minecraft and stuff like that. So that's really cool to have open. What we want to do right now is we're going to go ahead and click on Setup, so clicking that, and this is what's going to pop open. Right now we can see that 2 of our internal mods that we dragged into that folder are here. However, it says, hey stupid, you don't have Forge installed, you don't have a mod loader. It's smart enough to recognize problems before they even occur. So if we were to test this right now, you'll get this log and say, hey, you messed up, even though I said that you messed up way before you clicked test. So make sure we have the right environment. We're going to go ahead and click on the 1.6.4 Forge, and now you see that this status, no Forge, has disappeared, and everything will be ready to play right now if we were to go ahead and click on test. Internal mod, even though this is red, this is still okay. We can deselect or select these by clicking this box over here, and if we deselect them, the mods will just not be on Minecraft when we click on test. So now this is the part where we add the external mods. So say I had this and I've been playing on Minecraft this whole time with these 2 mods because they're the very simple mods, and I want to say, hey, I want to have this furniture mod, and I don't know if I want to just drag it in my mods folder and have to navigate to that folder and delete it if it doesn't work. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add, and then I need to navigate to where I downloaded the folder, so that's going to be up in Andrew and then Downloads, and there's my furniture mod that I just downloaded. Go ahead and click on Open. So here's my mod that I just added. All 3 of these are selected. All 3 of them don't have any problems. I made sure I'm on 1.6.4 Forge. All of these are 1.6.4. Yes, yes, yes. If I go ahead and click on Test, this will hopefully work and just show us that all of our mods are working correctly. So I'm going to go and show you a few ways that you can make sure that your mods are working. The first way is it has gone from 3 mods loaded, 3 mods active to 5 mods loaded, 5 mods active. So I click on mods and I see Optifine, which was one of the mods we put on here, furniture mod, and damage indicators. So all 3 of them are now on here. If I go ahead and click on single player, let's create a new world. Let's make it creative so I can get around a little bit faster. Alright, here we go. Okay, I'm underwater, that's cool. Alright, let's fly around. Let's see if the damage indicators is working. I see some squid in here. You can see it pops up as 10 out of 10. Let's find some sheep, that way we can actually like kill it without it like bouncing away from us in the water. Ooh, this will work perfect. Okay. They're gonna run away from me. Never mind. Not as perfect as I previously thought. Wait, who are you? Okay, Ocelot. If I hit it once, then it goes down to 9 health, as you can see. If I hit it again, you person, come back here. It went down to 8. You can see the little 1 that pops out of it. I know Reddit would be horrified to see this video killing cats. It's not really a cat, it's like an Ocelot. Come here. Critical times, yeah, you see how the 2 pop out? And the health will remain there as long as you're looking at it. 6 out of 10. So that's the damage indicator mod. Let's see if Optifine is working. Well, you can see just by looking around really fast that it's working. It might not be so clear in the video, but to me it's very clear. If I go ahead and click on, or hit escape, and then I go to options, and then it'll, like, you'll see that there are a lot more options, like fog start, and just all these cool things that you can use with Optifine. And then the third mod that we added was the furniture mod. So let's go see if that's open. You'll see this tab popped up, and bam, furniture mod. Let's put down a chair. Oh my god, you can have a white fence. Dream come true. We can put that down. Put this white fence. How beautiful. So yeah, all 3 mods are working. And if you have any questions or comments, you should leave them in the comment section below.